Construction of the big IKEA dome is very easy. One part and second part, and then we have metal plate. High voltage cable connects to metal plate and goes outside. We have a nice sandwich which is quite sturdy and only 2 screws. Trimming the foam to the right thickness. Leveled out foam with the alu surface. Cooling down and waiting. 15 minutes later, some weak tracks started to appear. Quality of tracks is very good. The temperature is not too low and that there is no permanent fog. It takes substantial time to cool down. The result is very satisfactory to watch. What I don't like with the round dome is that there are always some reflections. The large dome is certainly better than the small dome because the glass surfaces are further away from illumination from a higher angle, trying not to hit the walls of glass dome to minimize scattered light. The round dome does not allow to take high quality photos from above. I have a rectangular mask in front of the LED and try avoiding hitting glass edges. Just illuminate the center of the cold plate. Added an electrode with variable height and connected it to positive high voltage. Putting the electrode much lower, only 5 centimeters above the cold plate. This is how it looks. It seems possible to combine metal extraction electrode with a wet towel and get rid of holding magnets and drilling holes. So we have a more pretty looking dome, and next I need to find black clothes. Tonight trying a plastic dome which has about the same diameter as the IKEA large dome, and we'll show you effect with electrostatics. I think these are dust particles sitting on the wall. Cool high voltage effect. I think these are the holes which I punctured with a needle. Decided to cut off the edge with threads. And I got a crack. Cutting certainly did not improve the quality of the plastic. Now I can look through the hole at the top. Now we get high quality images of the tracks without any glass walls in between. Now try the plastic bucket and it also works. I wanted to show you my dolphins. Filming through the hole on the top of the plastic bucket. If the tracks disappear, then there could be a problem with too little isopropanol or leaks around the perimeter. For filming, rectangular area would be preferable. Well, I can zoom in camera and then we do not see the edges. Now zoom is 6 times. 6 times zoom. Looks like the size of the chamber can be large. The only requirement is that it is sealed at the edges and there is no drought. There was missing high voltage. Now we have nice tracks at -21. Socks. Iteration with the fan worked very well. Now LED is not hot anymore. Yesterday could not reach low enough temperature at the end. We got only -22 degrees, and I think isopropanol flooded the foam and made the thermal short. Today after drying, temperature was -31 degree. I found a thermal bridge. This is full with isopropanol. Decided that it is worth to put temperature sensor. I have used too thin plastic. By putting plastic tape around, I was able to level. Instead of making holes, I will try anti-static, which leaves some greasy residue. Glass dome was too close to the metal plate and lay in a puddle of ethanol and conducted heat away from the cold plate. I put the border now. Gate tracks okay at -24 degrees. With the foam border, saturation depth is very large. You can see reflection from the liquid surface. -25 degrees. Perfect. Comparing insulation materials, best was styrofoam as used for food delivery. Peltier gets condensation water droplets. It would be best to put it into the foam. Can inspect before sealing. Foam madness. Foam trimmed with a plastic disc. From particle falling speed can determine the size of the particles. The higher above they move slower, they are smaller, and near the surface they fall fast. And we see that radiation tracks appear at certain size of the droplets. Reach -30 only with this. Combo 2-stage Peltier reach only -30 degrees. After half an hour waiting got -33. Result from today -25 degrees. Some activity visible. It's -26 degrees, get quite reasonable tracks. 9 centimeter diameter active area limited by foam. Getting white foam black with Rust-Oleum. Vapour condensation is a process requiring a lot of energy. Made the foam restriction rings to limit the cold area. I can see rainbow for the first time. And some tracks also have rainbow. It's 27 degrees, no trucks because no alcohol. Checking high voltage with neon screwdriver. Can touch kilovolts high voltage because current is limited with 100 megohm resistor inside the high voltage power supply.